Hi. Today I want you to learn something in using mail merge, no, and how to create and how to use it. Okay. So if you notice, you have here the list of recipient. Okay. So we need to use this one as our recipient of our mails. Okay. So for today, you need to learn how to use the mail merge and create a mail merge. Okay. And also print individual document using the mail merge. Okay. So we need to skip this one, and this is how you create. Okay. So using the mail merge, you can print multiple mails with the same content but in different recipient. Okay. So we need to close this one and create another document. Okay. So as of now, if you notice, I have a template, no, for creating a template for mail merge. Okay, and also I have a e-signature. So in course, no, in this course, you can you know how to add a e-signature. I will give you how to I'll teach you how to do that later. Okay. So first things first, you need to have this open your Word. Okay. Word, and create a template of your letter. Okay. So as of now, you need to create another mail merge. Okay. Okay. From the start, we need to check this tab. Okay. Mailing tabs. Okay. Mailing tab. Okay. Next, you need to go to start mail merge. Okay. Then drop down step-by-step mail merge wizard. Okay. Okay. Again. Ayan. So what happened? Mail merge wizard will appear. So we have here later on. Okay. Here. This is a preset. Okay, you have letters, email merge, email messages, and envelopes, labels, and directory. So for now, as this type of this template, we have to select letters. Okay. So next is we need to go to step 1 after we choose a specific document type. Okay. Next is we have here the bulleted options. Use the correct document or start from the template, start from the existing document. But this one is our current document. Okay, we will work on this document. Okay, just select. Then we need to proceed step 3. So for now, we have questions here. So select recipients. Use an existing. Select Outlook if you have. Then type a new list. We need to create a type new list because this is our first time to create a listing for recipient. Okay. Ayan. So type new list and create. Okay. We have here the new address list. So we have here title, name, last name, and company, and we have here address line 1. So I need to change this address line 1. Okay. So to change that one, you need to customize columns. Okay. So we have here the title as the default one is the title, first name, last name, company name, address 1 and 1 and 2, and city. So I want to use the city instead of address line 1. Okay. Okay. So we need to change this one to city. Okay. So we have here the options. So if you want to create another type of field names, you can add. Okay. So as stated, I want to change the list in city. So if how to change that one, you need to move up or move down. Okay, so in here, line 1, you need to change this one to city. You need to move up. Okay, move up. Okay, then press OK. So what happened here? You need to, okay, it's already changed. Okay, so how to add a recipient? So you need to click new entry, and in default we have first the first one is 1 entry. Okay, so I have here Odette, the first name Odette Maru. Okay, so random names, Mary Child School. Okay, here is Cagayan de Oro City. Okay, and I want to add more. Okay, new entry. So here, Mr. John. Yan, kalag. The same company, because I'm tired of thinking what company and city. Okay, and last one, I need to add more. Miss Riza Aceves. Same city and company. Okay. Okay. So we're done with our 3 entries. Then press OK. Okay, we need to save this in our data. Okay, the 3 list of recipient. We need to save as that, no? Save a NVB file. Okay. I want to name that one as test 1 maybe. Okay, save. We have here the list of recipient. Okay. Then okay. So what happened? What's text, sir? So we need to add, no? In order to use the recipient, okay, we need to add a address block. Okay, so yan, we need to navigate where to put the address block. The address block is the recipient information, like Miss title, name, the address. Yes, that's all, the company name. That is an address block. Okay, make sure you hover your mouse in this place because it fills out the add block. Okay, just point at one, then press. Okay, so next, if you are familiar with their sir, their Riza, just like that. Okay, we need to add like that. So hover this area. Okay, I need to add that one. What's not happening? Okay, I need to add. Okay, greeting line. Done. Miss Maru. Okay, I need to add a greeting line. Oh, make sure. Let's try to check this one. Okay, greeting line and address block. So we need to preview. Okay, we have here the first one of our recipient list, Odette Maru, and the greetings, the greeting lines. So I need to change this one to another address. Okay, so in order to print this all, it's because this is a mill merge, we need to print individually. Okay, so using the mill, this one, edit individual documents, it's open a new document for individual. Okay, individual document in the same content but in different recipients. Okay, once you already open that one, Okay, we have here the first recipient. When you scroll down, we have here the another recipient. Okay, okay, with the same content of your message. Okay, this is very important if you have multiple clients with the same message. So I have here the purpose of the mail merging. According to Microsoft, use email merge for both email letters, labels, and envelopes. So mail merge lets you create batch of document that are personalized for each recipient. For example, a letter might be personalized to address each recipient by name. Okay? So, yan. So, but in the content, if you have the same content with this, you can do. Okay. Next. Okay, we need to leave that one because we need to add a e-signature. Okay. We need to remove this one. So, as if you already saved your signature. Okay. You already picture the signature, and so what happened here, this is not really white background, so white background, just like a transparent something. Just copy. I assume you know how to save a picture from your PC. Okay, copy and paste. So what happened here, you can even move this picture. Okay, you can't move, just click this layout option, then behind text. So what happened here, you can move it around. Okay, sir, now my color, you have a color of your background. What happened here, just like gray something, but in default, if you have a plain background, okay, gray, you can use this one, no? Just like PNG file, but it's better to use a PNG file. Okay, so for now, if you imagine this is a white, no, this is a gray, but this is a white, just double click to make this object plain white or transparent. Okay, so just double click this object or picture, then color correction, and then you have here the list of colors. No. Okay, so you have here the colors. So just double click, then color, then change. Okay, you have here saturation 400. It's okay, but still gray. Okay, double click again, correction, and then sharpen. So what happened? The same. Okay, let's move it again. Okay, maybe this is the better one because yeah. Then okay, then change. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, so again, okay, so I hope you already know how to mail merge, but we have a problem here, how to edit, how to edit recipient, or you want to add, you want to add a recipient or delete something or change, you can go edit recipient list. Okay, then click this one, your data source, and edit. What happened here, you can now add and edit specific. Okay, then yes, you can cancel this one. I think it's already done. Okay, let's try individual. Okay, we have here the we can now print this one. I hope you learned something for this discussion. Okay, So, bye!